Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to Dyana's Kitchen. If you are one of my subscribers, welcome back. If you are not and you watch any of my video, guys, please consider to subscribe to my channel, guys. Guys, this morning I feel for some peanut porridge. Very simple and very easy, guys. And I want to share it with you guys. Alright? Okay guys, so I'm going to show you what you're going to need to make this simple and easy peanut porridge. You're going to need some oats flakes. Alright, this is not the smooth one, guys, this is the coarse one, so I'm going to blend it. You're going to need some peanut butter. This is whether the powder or the butter, but I'm using both today. Okay guys, I'm using the powder and the butter. Okay, and I'm using some coconut milk, of course. I'm using some sweet milk to make it nice. That was my favorite. I'm using some vanilla. I'm using some salt in the water. And I'm using some nutmeg. I already have some bay leaf in my water, guys. So I'm gonna put some salt right now in my water, guys. Okay, this is 2 cups. This is a teaspoon, guys. You should have a tablespoon. This is a teaspoon. This one. You know the good thing is, guys, you like the powder? If you're not tasting enough peanut, you can go back and put in more peanuts. Because all you have to do, I mix it in a 1 cup like this, because this is it. And then throw it in your pot. If you're not tasting enough, then you're going to use a peanut butter now. So guys, I've listened to you. We don't want it to water, guys, because so that's nice. So now we are blending out the oats and the peanut and everything together. You have food, you guys. You know, can feed the rest of them. And I think, oh. So guys, you want to keep on stir your porridge. You don't want it to get lumpy. Okay? So we're going to do this for about, guys, for about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay? Guys, look how that look good. My goodness, look how that look good. That looks so good. Guys, this is the coconut milk. My goodness, that looks so good, guys, so good. I'm going to make the coconut boil in it about another 2 or 3 minutes, then I turn it off. Alright guys, so we're going to sweeten up porridge now, guys. So we're going to use little vanilla, give it this nice taste. We're going to spice it up a bit. We're going to use some nutmeg. Just a pinch of nutmeg. Just a little pinch of nutmeg. Don't put too much nutmeg. A little pinch of vanilla, a little pinch of nutmeg. Let me see, guys, if you watch my channel, how may I use this? What is this, guys? If you watch my channel, guys, you know, guys. I love my half and half. So, I'm going to put a little tip. Right, so here. Yeah. Guys, I know if you watch my channel, guys, I know about my half and half, guys. Me care. Do it up my half and half. Yes, I'm half a put it in there. I'm half a touch on it, guys. I'm half a touch on my half and half. And my husband's favorite now, guys. Sweet milk. Guys, look at that, ready to drink, ready to enjoy. No guys, this is very simple, very easy guys. You have to try this. I say you have to try this guys. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Make sure to like. Okay guys, keep on smiling and come back for more. God bless you.